Welcome to this Stride workshop, the importance of connecting with others, part of Positive East Staying In Together programme. Rasti Malemwa is part of our peer support team here at Positive East. She supported literally hundreds of men, women, children and families who are living with and affected by HIV here at Positive East for the past 20 years, which is an incredible accomplishment in itself. So congratulations for all your dedication and commitment, Rasti.
Thank you.
You're a well-known figure amongst our friends and family at Positive East. But for those of us who might not know what you're about, can you tell us a little bit about your role?
I'm part of the peer support team working with African men, women, children, and families, one of the main communities that have been affected by HIV. My role is to continue to promote Positive East vision and mission to improve the quality of lives of individuals and communities affected by HIV through assessing clients' needs, information giving, practical and emotional support, facilitate support groups, advocacy, and referral to other agencies.
So why did you decide to run this workshop about connecting with others?
Connect for Health is a response to help clients to cope better with COVID pandemic, as well as reducing isolation.
Okay, so we're all really excited about what you've got to tell us. Shall we start the slideshow?
Yes, please. So the introduction, this new normal of social distancing, self-isolation, and so forth, has had an impact on many of us. Therefore, this is the time to have positive and supportive connection with others. Connect for Health and others Strides workshops are some of Positive East's robust response to support you during these challenging times of COVID. Next, please. The benefits of social connections: mental health, spending time with those whose company you enjoy. Security, a supportive network is a source of advice, guidance, and motivation. It may also help you to live longer. Social connections can lower anxiety, depression, help us to regulate our emotions, lead to higher self-esteem, empathy, and improve our immune system and better quality of life. Next. Guided by our mission to improve the quality of life for individuals and communities affected by HIV, Positive East provide the following services. Staying In Together Stride workshops, Monday at 18 hours, yoga class, Tuesday at 6 p.m., She Moves exercise classes, every Wednesday, 12:30 and Thursday, 5 p.m., mindfulness. The Monday yoga class, mindfulness on Wednesdays and Thursdays are all 1 hour session. She Moves exercise class are 45 minutes, gentle but effective exercises to help you get replenished with endorphins and energy. It's really important to attend all these support services on offer, as many of those who have attended have had amazing experiences. Next. Our information and advice. Information you need, such as advice and support around HIV-related issues, including welfare benefits advice, basic housing issues, immigration, employment issues, referrals. Also practical support to help you access health and other government and local services by Positive East Welfare Advice Team through online Zoom meetings and telephone. Advice team helps with information and advice and referrals too. Next. Peer support. recruiting peer support mentors, training peer mentors, ongoing provision of peer support to clients that need this service. All peer support services are provided online and on telephone. Following the benefits of peer support in the first slide, you can access peer support services as to when you need it. Some need it at the beginning on receiving HIV diagnosis or during special abrupt additional challenges, etc. Positive East recruits and train peer mentors to provide this specialist support in addition to the peer support team members. Next. Volunteering opportunities, advice, reception, HIV testing, or volunteering opportunities are virtual. Volunteering opportunities are there for you. You can volunteer in any department of your interest to help you regain control of your life, make contribution in society, boost your self-esteem, make use of your expertise you have had before the diagnosis and others. Next. HIV testing online. HIV testing and STI test can be booked online on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. Sexual health advice and training, and any other frequently asked questions. Positive East endeavors to continue to make great contribution towards the spread of HIV infection through this innovative HIV testing online service. Next. Counseling and psychotherapy. These services help you to deal with different emotional and psychological issues related to living with HIV through one-to-one confidential services. As we are all aware, life is full of challenges, and Positive East continues to be there for you when you need us through one-to-one confidential counseling and psychotherapy after registration and assessment. Next. Resources. We have videos, Staying Together Stride workshops, HIV Voices, Technicolor, online, HIV, training HIV prevention. If for whatever reason you have not been able to attend the information sessions, there are great resources online which you can always access at your own time through Positive East website. This is the end of my presentation, and thank you for attending.
Thank you, Rusty. That was really informative. We had loads of information about the huge array of services and support that's available to users. Can I ask you, since COVID's changed things dramatically, can you tell us, has there been a change in issues that our clients are presenting with during COVID?
Many clients have not been attending hospital appointments, increased in mental health issues, financial issues such as rent arrears, increased energy bills, and other problems.
So as a peer support officer, this workshop's about staying connected and reducing loneliness and isolation. You're a peer support officer. Can you tell us, does this service helping people, supporting people who are experiencing loneliness and isolation?
Peer support is great for reducing isolation, goal setting, advocacy, referral to other services, both at Positive East and externally, and also helping you accepting diagnosis if you have issues and other benefits.
So if anyone's watching who feels that they might need support, how can they access the services that you mentioned in your presentation?
You need to be HIV positive and live, work, or access clinical care in any of our East London boroughs. They can access Positive East via our website, social media, or they can call in. We are all aware what's available, and you can make referrals to as many services as you need. You need to get yourself registered with us before you begin accessing services. But this is straightforward process where we can create a plan to get you where you want to be. So
what about those service users that don't have any access to any IT or digital services? You spoke that a lot of all client-facing services at Positive East are now digital via Zoom or similar applications. What about if we don't have Zoom? Can we still support these service users?
Positive East have our face-to-face support via telephone at a time that is right for you.
For those of us who are feeling rock bottom right now and they think that there's just no point in carrying on, what support is available for them?
Positive East has got advice line on 020779 12855, which can help you to be referred, or you can ring Samaritans free from any phone to 116 123. Get help online or on the phone 11.nhs.uk or call 11 available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Christmas is coming fast. What is Positive East doing over the festive period to support the loneliest of our communities?
Phone support will be available. We are all working hard to identify the most vulnerable and isolated of our service users on our radar so that we can call them up to carry out welfare benefits check and just have a friendly chat from time to time. If you'd like to hear from us, we would like to hear from you. Let us know if you'd like us to call you up over the Christmas period, just to let us know and get that kettle on.
And that sounds like a good idea. Rusty, that was a great presentation. We've covered loads of different services that are available to our clients. I'd like to thank you so much for your contribution, and I look forward to working with you in the near future. Thank you, Rusty.
Thank you.